So, do you know what is Kegel exercises and why it should be performed during your pregnancy period? Kegel exercises strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and prevent incontinence and help you for the post-birth recovery. So, hi and welcome. Here's Dr. Lummbini, and I'll explain you about Kegel exercises in this video. So, what all things we will see in this video? First, what are Kegel exercises? Second, what are the benefits of Kegel exercises during pregnancy period? Third, how to do Kegel exercises correctly. Fourth, when to do Kegel exercises during pregnancy and after birth. And fifth, how to make this Kegel exercises more fun. Okay, so here we will start with this video, and let me explain you that these Kegel exercises are very important to be performed during pregnancy. Yes, while pregnancy, there are more exercises to be performed, that is pilates, walking, stretching, yoga exercises, pelvic floor muscles exercises, lower muscle toning exercises, your cardio exercises. There are many such exercises. Breathing exercises is also usually can be done during pregnancy period. But here we will only talk about Kegels. Okay, so pushing your baby through the pelvic muscles, your pelvic muscles should be very strengthened, okay, and have a great toning and elasticity for the easy birth of a baby during the labor process. So the proportion of the toning and the strengthening of your pelvic floor muscles takes with the help of Kegel exercises. Okay, so pelvic floor muscles plays a very important role during your delivery process, and when it works correctly, your rectum, your uterus, and your bladder are in place, and it helps you for the urine incontinence and the leakage of a urine while you cough or while you laugh. So it is a very hard skill. When it is gone and noticed, it's very hard to take it back. Okay, so you always have to take care of your pelvic floor muscles. And fortunately, there is one exercise which will always take care of your pelvic floor muscles, and that are Kegels. So let's see what are Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises are named after a gynecologist, a very famous gynecologist, that is Arnold Kegel. Okay, so he had invented and suggested women to do these Kegel exercises, and after a lot of research, he found that these Kegel exercises are really very beneficial during the pregnancy process. So Kegel exercises engage and strengthen your pelvic floor, which are the group of muscles and the ligaments that sit like a sling between your hips. Okay, and your pelvic floor muscles support your bladder, your uterus, and other organs, and control the flow of urine, gases, and fecus. The goal of Kegel is to contract and relax the pelvic floor muscles, and that's how, with the very short period of time, we can bring out with the toning of this pelvic floor muscles. Now let us see how the Kegel exercises are beneficial during your pregnancy period. So as your baby grows in the womb, baby's weight increases every day. Okay, so this weight is always towards the gravity, and it gives a pressure on your pelvic floor muscles. So while during your pregnancy journey, if you are taking out some of your time and doing your Kegel exercises regularly, say 2 or 3 sets of Kegel exercises every day, it will strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, and thus will result you beneficial during your labor process. And some of the benefits are your urinary bladder control. So when you are doing your Kegels properly, you have a very toned urinary bladder muscles also, because when the baby is in the womb, baby's head is pressing the urinary bladder, and thus the muscles of urinary bladder also become weak. Okay, so if you are doing your Kegel properly, your urine incontinence will not be seen and the problem will not arise later. So when the women deliver a baby, there is a third or a fourth grade of tear in the vaginal muscles. So if you are regularly doing your Kegels, the stretching of the muscles would be more and it will not go into that level of tear. The next one and the third one is POP, and that is pelvic organ prolapse. So POP occurs when one or more organ descend in the vagina in the natural position. Okay, so regular doing Kegels helps you to prevent the prolapse of vagina. And the next one is more enjoyable sex. So if you are performing Kegels regularly, the muscle will be toned and strengthened. Every muscles which are being exercised regularly gets a toning. Okay, so when you deliver a baby and when the healing process of this vaginal muscles takes completely, the vaginal muscles will be even more tighter. Okay, so you can enjoy pleasure during sex also. Even one of the concept like reverse Kegel are also important to be taken in consideration. So Kegel exercises is contracting the muscles and the reverse Kegels are relaxing the muscle. So during your reverse Kegel, you are relaxing your vaginal muscles. This also strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. Let us see the correct way of doing your Kegel muscle exercises. Now, if you ask when to do Kegel exercises, so it can be done at any point. If you are sitting in your office working, you can do your Kegels. If you are, waiting for some time, you can do. If you are in a standing position and watching TV, you can do anytime you are sitting relaxed or you are working, you can perform your Kegel exercises. So how to do this Kegel exercises correctly? So when you are sitting, you or standing, you just have to observe your vaginal muscles. So from vagina to anus, the bridge between them, you have to just pull inside or contract the muscles in between this. So you have to contract all your vaginal muscles, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds, and then release, relax. Okay. Then again, contract it, wait for 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and release. So this should be a very slow process, and you have to perform 10 breathings every time. So you do not have to contract other muscles like your thigh muscle, like your abdominal belly muscles, your body muscles. No. So this way you can perform 10 times and 10 settings for one set, and you have to do this for 3 times. Okay, now when you are more into doing this, you can just increase it to 20 sets per, and you can do 3 repetitions. Okay, so this is the correct way of doing your pelvic floor muscles. In case you are in confusion or you did not get it, you can just ask to your doctor and the correct way of doing. So these are some of the benefits where you have to take it very seriously during your pregnancy period. If you like this video, you can just subscribe the channel for more such updates, and if you have any query, you can ask in the comment box so that I can read out and I can just bring out some more videos and some more content for you. If you want to join Garbhsanskar workshop, below is the link for WhatsApp group. You can join that WhatsApp group and you can come inside, and there I can nurture you what is Garbhsanskar and other things. And of course, you can attend my free Garbhsanskar workshop on Sunday. See you live for more such queries, and I'm always ready to help you. Take care, girls. Enjoy your pregnancy. There is lot many things to learn and do during your pregnancy period, so never miss this period and never miss this opportunity to give something to our little one and to take care of our own health also. So take care, enjoy your journey, like this video, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.